Welcome to ATech. Today we will discuss that how you can send any document or PDF file to your contacts. So first of all, open your WhatsApp. Then select the chat to whom you want to send message. Now we will click on attachment button. Here is the option of documents. So you can see different PDF documents. So I will select first one. I will select send, and you can see within few seconds document is sent to my contact. So in this way you can send any PDF file or any document file to your contacts. So if you like the video, please share it with your friends and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.